So this is the US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Friday the 20th of October. Now let's just have a little look. What actually happened on, let's get on here correct first. What happened on the 19th? So on the 18th we did see this big move to the upside on the US dollar against Japanese yen. It does seem that we, in light of the analysis on the other currency pairs, it does seem that it was more yen weakness, and pretty much every other currency strengthened against the yen. And since then, they've given back quite a bit to the yen. Now, on the 19th, we did see prices trading around that 113 level. This big number around 113, and at, is it 8 a.m. on this occasion? Yes, candle opened at 8 a.m. We did have the bit of a schism. We did have quite heavy selling. Candle closed near its lows, and the momentum followed through pretty much throughout the day until we came all the way down to his 200 period moving average and found some support. So, in the overall scheme of things, where do we expect prices to be? So, where do we expect them to go? Now, we did see the selling take us all the way down to 200 period moving average. Currently, we are trading at the key level of 1252, a major level of horizontal support, and also adding to the confluence there is this 400 period moving average here in black. So, where do we expect prices to go? If we do hold this 1252 level and we do see bullish price action off it, which wouldn't be unusual in the context of this. If we have a look over here, we've had our lows over here, we've had a higher low, and even with this sell-off, we look poised to put in another higher low. We could expect price, which, if we do see bullish momentum, we'd likely see prices retest the 112.77, above which we'll be looking at 113 as being the most recent area we've had a sell-off. And the levels above, we'll be looking at 13.56. I can't imagine prices trading much beyond 13.56 on Friday the 20th. If, however, we do see a breakdown in prices, we'd have to see if prices react to this 200 period moving average, below which we'll be looking again at a 12.15, which provided a platform for us to move upwards. And beyond that, we'll be looking in and around that 11.80, 11.60 zone, where we did find buying momentum most recently. So if we have a look on the higher time frames, so on this monthly chart, the month of September did close bullish. Prices while it did make new lows into the 107. I think it's 107.32. We did look poised for continuation in the month of October. Now, continuation into the month of October we didn't get the follow through desired, and currently we do look like we are putting in a bit of a doji at the moment. Yes, we are putting a bit of a doji, and it's overall, if we were to have a look and say this was our low over here, our most recent low of in August of 2016, and this could potentially be interpreted as a higher low, we would expect prices to go to the upside. However, we do have our highs up here, and we do have a lower high here as well. So prices are contracting a bit as the market searches for direction for a break either to the upside or the downside. But in light of the bullish month seen last month, closed near the highs, I did expect prices to continue to possibly test the 114.30 level. So if I have a look down on the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, we do have a sloping trend to the downside, a series of lower lows and lower highs. But most recently, we have come up and we look poised to buck that trend to the upside. It does appear that the prices seem to have found a bit of a bid on a weekly time frame, in that we've had a bounce off the 1180 level, which was the 200 period moving average here on the weekly time frame. Currently, the 200 period moving average on the weekly time frame is sitting at 1184. So in around that 1180 level, we also have a major level of support underneath of 1160. So in around 1180, 1160, we do expect to see some buyers step into the market. So let's just have a look on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we did have a bit of a pullback from in around 113.44 all the way back down to 200 period moving average, sitting around 1180 at the time, and we did see some strong buying momentum off that. But on today, the 19th, we did see some strong selling coming to the market, pretty much driving prices pretty close to the lows of the previous day. Did see some buying near the I think it was near the end of the day. Yeah, near the end of the day, we did see some buying, but it is concerning that we did post a bearish day in the context of the bullish day which followed, preceded it. So overall, on this daily time frame, we suppose we could interpret this as being our low down here. It's been our higher low at the 200 period moving average. So a continuation to the upside to 113.56 at least would be too unreasonable an expectation. So that should wrap up the analysis on US dollar Japanese yen. Before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.